cut by Mr. Rudy, my engineer. Make a mess all the place and then have to clean this up. It's not easy at all. On seastead, helping us clean before. Jay, you okay? And it's a hard job. Alright. See you again in our video. Morning, afternoon, good evening, and good night, whatever that is for people around the world. Here from seastead. Alright guys, it's nothing much, right? So today we get ready to go pick up, today we get ready for people to pick up the people who come to the workshop, and the job is done. Let's check it out. Alright, all clean, that's all I can do. Not bad at all. So the foil screens, nothing. Chicken screens, table, working room, and this is garbage. And this is storeroom. Oh, great. This is chairs. It's this bathroom. Already used, and well, pretty good. And it is some the metal, the screw that we need to put under the spar, so something to fit. We not get into that part yet, just to make sure everything is all clean. So I think that was it. Bedroom. Hi, because girl Thailand. My house. It's all clean. That's good enough. So we not get into the decorate and all the floor have to be like some, maybe you can have an idea when you have your own, you can put some thick wood on it, and also what that called in English? On top. You don't know how to call the top floor in English?
Oh, the deck.
The deck. Yeah, sometimes I forget, honey, I'm sorry. And you can put some color or the fancy stuff in, change the lights, decorate your own, everything. You can have the wallpaper, painting, like put something pretty that you can do your own designs. You can put everything in. So basically I say seastead is a diamond that have not cut. You bought the diamond that not get cut, it's a cheaper price. When you bought the cut diamond, it's more expensive. So I will offer you guys bought the seastead. It means just a rock of the diamond like this, right? And you can decorate your own designs. So I think that should be better. Also this. If you have an idea, maybe you should let me know how to do the lid. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Don't forget subscribe. I changed my YouTube channel's name. Before it's Bitcoin Girl Thailand, right? Right now I changed the life above the wave. It's under Ocean Builder. So see you guys. Bye bye.